Everything kind of comes together in Sturgis, and it's a truly magical place. And this motorcycle was designed to showcase that and experience that in a way that anybody who's ever gone to Sturgis would be able to understand. I'm Brad Richards, and I'm the Vice President of Styling and Design at Harley-Davidson. Whoever ultimately wins this motorcycle is really in sort of a class all your own, because there's only one, and it celebrates the 80 years of the most iconic motorcycle rally in the world. This is based on a 2020 Lowrider S. It has all the capabilities of that motorcycle, except that it has the 117 powertrain, which gives it even more go, which is great. It was so special it was going to be one-off. We wanted to kind of go an extra step, and we wanted to create some of the hand-painted details. The Sturgis logo on the fairing, the serialization on the side cover, which is also hand-painted. We used buffalo hide on the seat, which is a great nod to Custer State Park and the wildlife loop. As you ride your bike around those areas, you will see buffalo in front of the road, out in the field to the left or right of you. We've hidden Sturgis rally routes throughout the motorcycle in the paint set. So as you go through the bike, you'll see ghosted under the clear, kind of the classic Sturgis rally map. Most people won't even notice until you walk up to the bike, but I think that's what's truly going to make this motorcycle special. And there's some other little details that I won't reveal. We wanted to let whoever becomes a lucky owner of this bike ultimately find the rest of those details. Of course, we used a lot of the cues from the original 1980 Sturgis, which was the little dashes of orange throughout the bike, the Sturgis logo, and we went with the chrome exhaust and a couple other chrome details to kind of lean into the era of the original Sturgis. The 1980 Sturgis, really cool bike. It's one of our better known limited edition models. The bike's really based on the 1977 Lowrider. That's really the silhouette and the content. I think it was around 78, Willie was out in Sturgis, he was on his way home, and he just had the idea for the bike of doing this limited edition bike.
I saw a lot of beautiful machinery at Sturgis in the Black Hills. And those motorcycles have a kind of essence of the Wild West. They're like what you might see a cowboy ride. And while we're in this wayside on the way home, I got out a brown paper bag and started writing.
And he sat down side of the road, kind of jotted these notes down in this piece of a paper bag, which I believe the museum still has, which is pretty cool.
The black on black Sturgis is a result of that trip.
Of course, it's the place for the world's most iconic motorcycle rally because it has some of North America's most iconic riding. I mean, every day you can have a different adventure, whether it's going to the Badlands. The next day you can go to Devil's Tower over in Wyoming. There's, of course, all of the canyon roads that surround the area. I mean, it really is a special trip to make, and everyone as a biker should do it. So we wanted to build this bike that celebrates that. And ultra rare being this is one of one, and hopefully will make the winner just totally stoked that they have it in their hands.